So guys, being decorative on YouTube helps you to grow faster on YouTube. And the first step of being decorative is adding a beautiful custom thumbnail to your video. Now, what is custom thumbnail? Thumbnail is the preview image appear on your video after uploading, where a short image of what your entire video is based on appeared. Now, how to make thumbnail I have already discussed in my last video, so go and check that out, link in description. Now let's see how to add custom thumbnail. Now I don't use computers for my video. Today I will show you how to add custom thumbnails using your mobile phone. So guys, welcome to SP Tech TV. Let's get started. So guys, if you want to add custom thumbnail with your YouTube app, then it's not possible. For that, you need to open Google Chrome from your Android. Now, after opening Google Chrome, you will see in the top right hand side corner the three dotted option. If you tap on there and scroll down, you will find request desktop site option over there. Now, having this done, what change will appear is your Android browser will be changed the format into computer format. Okay, and that's how you can add custom thumbnails. So for that, you open YouTube from your browser and you can see that the format is not like your YouTube app, is just like you see in your PC, okay, your computer. Now you go to your channel on the right hand side over here. Okay, go to your channel and the second option you will find create a studio. After my channel you will find create a studio, so tap on there. Creator Studio has appeared. Now you see in the third option in the right hand side top, the upload options. Okay, you tap on there and this window will appear in front of you. Now you scroll down and notice in this option that help and suggestions. Want to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, increase your limit. So tap on increase your limit, and over here what you have to do is you need to verify your phone number. So I'm from India, so I have tapped on there and choose any one of these two options. I'm choosing text me the verification code and I'm giving my okay, so I have given my number, which I'm not going to show you guys, and I'm tapping on submit. After submitting, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the number you have entered over previous window, and it has already been sent. I'm going to enter those 6-digit verification code. Okay, so I've entered those 6-digit verification code. Now I'm going to click on submit. Okay, and the window appears as congratulations, your YouTube account is verified. Now you press on continue. Okay, and you'll be finding over here that SP Tech TV is verified, but before this is being done, my channel was not verified. Okay. Now I will show you how to upload and add custom thumbnail. Now you see the third option again, you go to upload and you select files to upload and choose the file you want to upload, choose the video you want to upload. Okay, let me add this one. This is the first video in my channel, and I'm going to add some title. Okay guys, after coming to this page, you scroll down and you look at this option, custom thumbnail. Okay, you press on custom thumbnail and you tap on files. Now I have to choose the custom thumbnail that I have made previously. Let me choose that one. Okay, I think this one, yeah, this is. So you can see that uploading custom thumbnail, and your custom thumbnail should not be more than 2 MB, that I have discussed in my previous video. Again, I'm going to say that check out my last video, how to create custom thumbnail, how to make thumbnail from thumbnail maker, link in the descriptions. So guys, you can see my thumbnail is uploaded successfully, but since my video is not yet uploaded and not yet published, it will not appear in this site. So let me wait until I publish this video and to show you that it has already came or not. You can also change if you don't like this one, but I'll keep this one only. So guys, my processing is done and you can see my thumbnail has already appeared. Okay, and let me publish this. Publishing is done, and yeah, it's done. Now let's go to the YouTube app and see if my video has come or not. You can see as it has come and the thumbnail has also appeared.